All right, folks, good morning. Let's go ahead and get started here. As far as economic news for today is concerned, let's go over that first. We had ADP non-farm employment change came in at 89,000, which was a lot lower than expected. Expectation was 154,000, came in at 89,000. So that's a big surprise. At 9:45 a.m., we've got final services PMI. At 10 a.m., we have ISM services PMI and also factory orders month over month. And at 10:25 a.m., we've got FOMC member Bauman speaking. Then at 10:30 a.m., we have FOMC member Goolsby speaking. And that's about it for the day. So at 10 o'clock Eastern, we'll have a major news release. And we already have one for ADP non-farm employment change so far. As far as the markets are concerned, the NASDAQ currently is moving up in the pre-market, as we can see here for the QQQ ETF. And doesn't look extremely bullish, but we did have a pretty bearish day yesterday where the market went down past its negative T1. It got about halfway to negative T2, so was pretty bearish. So let's go ahead and take a look at what was moving yesterday. So as far as stocks for yesterday, we had INTC, which was a straight line to T2, just went straight up, never really stopped until it got to T2, which was 36.43, and then it went slightly above that. We also had, let's see, we also had TCOM, which reached negative T2, which was 33.27, so that got there fairly easily. Adobe did not actually hit negative T2, got pretty close to it, bottomed out at 504.55 near the end of the day, but that was just a little bit above 504.39, which was negative T2. Affirm, AFRM, was able to reach negative T2, which was 1856. So I got there pretty quickly. Amazon was bearish as well. It was not able to reach this negative T2. Got within a very short distance of it towards the end of the day. Negative T2 for Amazon was 124.16. It got pretty close to that, but never hit it. T-Mobile, TMUS, was able to reach negative T1, which was 137.02. And then finally, Rivian was able to reach negative T2, which was 21.77. So it's pretty good moves down there that we saw yesterday, mostly a bearish day. So let's go ahead and take a look at which stocks are moving pre-market. And right now, FEMI, F-E-M-Y, is moving once again. That showed up on our radar yesterday. It is currently down 23.49% overnight. 3.2 million shares traded. It's still above $1 per share. So we'll go ahead and add that to our radar for the pre-market. So FEMY is now added. Next up, we've got FRLN is the symbol. Currently up 42%, 4.6 million shares traded. It is, of course, a NASDAQ listed stock. It's trading above $1 per share, so we will add that FRLN to our pre-market radar as well. Next up, we've got, actually, I'll skip this one. Nikola. I don't think that's up enough yet. It's not. So skip Nikola. That's it for what I see in my pre-market scan. So if you folks see any NASDAQ listed stocks that are trading at least $1 per share or higher, 1 million shares of pre-market volume, and a price change of at least 6% positive or negative, let me know in the chat, and we'll go ahead and take a look. Any stocks that meet those four criteria, let me know in the chat, and we'll take a look. All right, folks. So again, if you see any stocks moving into pre-market, yeah, it does, that are trading at least $1 per share. It's a NASDAQ stock. We need at least 1 million shares of pre-market volume and a percent change of at least 6% positive or negative. Any stocks that meet those four criteria, go ahead and let me know in the chat. We'll take a look. All right, I guess that's everything. So we'll go ahead and wrap up for today's session. Not a lot going on, it seems like. So please be sure to like this video. I see 13 likes. Please be sure to click to like the video if you haven't already. And also go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you get any updates for new videos that are published. Also, if you're looking at this replay or watching this live and you're not familiar with our program, please be sure to check out fundertrading.com. That's our website. You'll see a link to that in the description. Otherwise, for those of you who are in the coaching program, I will see you in about 30 minutes. Okay? All right. Have a great trading day, everybody. And I'll see you folks tomorrow for the Pre-Market Pulse. Take care.